Alright, here we are back with my old uncle's condo, which of course got this pair of Uncle Crestfield's ceiling fan. Of course, this fan has, unfortunately, signs with the back capacitor, which I'll show you. Light works fine, that's not going to be affected by the light, but if you look at high, the blade don't, for the capacitor going bad, the blade on the fan won't turn very fast, which is shown here, which is unfortunate, but you can't really feel much air either. And then medium should have a noticeable difference between high, but doesn't really. So this is a sign of a bad capacitor too. And then for the low, which as you can tell, low is really slow, which should be a little bit faster, I think. So yeah, this fan is going to be unfortunately having another capacitor to be put in it, which this is a sign of a bad capacitor. Same thing with reverse. High is very slow, but capacitor is very easy to replace it anyway, so. But yeah, thought I'd show you a sign of a bad capacitor. So yeah, that's it.